Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking sticky soy cauliflower wings. They're delicious. They're perfect as part of a whole meal or as a snack. They're really good. You don't want to miss this recipe. So, let's get cooking.
Thank you!
Cauliflower is one of the cultivated varieties of the cabbage plant family. It's closely related to broccoli. You've never told me that. Yeah, broccoli's my cousin. Oh, cauliflower, what is he like? Cauliflower originally came from Cyprus. In the 12th and 13th century, there is written evidence of Arab botanists writing about cauliflower. I wonder what they said. Cauliflower, cauliflower, I love you. Cauliflower, 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 I love you. Cauliflower, yeah. This is actually not what I wrote, but I just felt like singing. Despite the historic history of broccoli, the sprouting broccoli was unknown in England during 1720. When it was first introduced, it was named sprouting cauliflower. Huh?
What?
Hey, Henry, come and look at this. What's that? I've never seen that before. It looks a bit like a cauliflower. It probably is a cauliflower. You're probably right.
Cauliflower is an excellent source of vitamin B, vitamin K and vitamin B6. It also contains lots of fibre and omega-3 fatty acids. Yum! The health benefits to eating cauliflower include relief from indigestion, boosts eye health. I can see perfectly, yay. Helps with our breathing. Maintains bone health. Strengthens our immune system.
system protects our bodies. It defends our body like it's a hobby. When the body senses something unknown, our immune system sends them home. It attacks germs and keeps us healthy. We can thank our immune system for
Believe it or not, but although we take cauliflower for granted, it was all the rage in the court of Louis XIV. They made lavish banquets and elegant dishes with cauliflower.
Miss G say what?
Whoa! Thank you for coming to my banquet tonight. My chef's was beautiful meal. And of course, my favourite is on the menu. Cauliflower. Yummy. Although commercially we see a lot of white cauliflower, it can come in a variety of colours, such as orange, purple, green, even brown. That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. Don't be upset, I'll be back again. I upload weekly cookery videos for you guys to learn how to cook with me and find out lots of interesting facts about vegetables. I mean, why wouldn't you watch me? Subscribe for more of this.
Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.